So, returning to the restoration of this 1980 Chevette. In this video, I'm going to be showing you two small but very important upgrades that I did. And that's the terminals for the battery and bolts for the exhaust. So, stainless steel bolts for the exhaust, that's fairly standard, fairly simple, but very important because exhaust bolts, it's not a matter of if, it's just a matter of when they're going to get rusted, seized, and then to where you can't get them out. And then they break in the engine block, and it's a pain in the ass. It's a nightmare. So, better do it while you can. And I think it looks really nice. Obviously, the pipes are kind of rusted, but that's we'll get to that eventually. Place that bolt there too. And I really like to mention these things here. They're called electrical compression shoes. Informally, that's what they're called. But, you know, I didn't get this at an automotive supply store. And this is where, you know, you have to be creative and you have to look around. I actually have a habit of just, whenever I go to a different store, I just walk around, look at the whole store, see if there's anything I need. And you know, now and then you get these things that pop up, right? That things that you need from other places. You know, if you go to an automotive supply store, they don't have anything like this. If you've ever seen anything like this in a car, be sure to leave a comment with you know, which store you've seen it so that we can get it. And these things are solid brass, as you can see. They're very well built. The nut is not brass, but we can replace that later. And so what I did is, you can see I also I put a stainless bolt holding the battery lug. And it's very simple because this one was already here. I'm not sure if it's original or not, but it's a big piece of brass. Disconnected at the moment because I'm welding, so I have to disconnect the battery. You don't have to, but I've heard some guys saying it's good. And it's just a piece of brass with a hole on one end, and it's metric here, as you can see. And a clamp. Electricians will, maybe if we have an electrician watching the video, that's what it is. And the nice thing is that you can, you know, this comes off, and then you just clamp this down. This clamps the wires, and so the nice thing is that you can you know, put any number of wires in there. You can even put a bare wire in there, you know, so it's a very neat terminal bar. At the electrical store, they told me this is for grounding. So I'm not sure how that works, but I looked at these things and I knew exactly where I was going to use them. The other thing I'll mention is, actually over here you can see I just have a bare wire in there. Just neatly put in there, bare. Very easy to install. Over here, this wire, put a heat shrink around it, and what I like to do to reinforce the wire, if you don't have any fancy electrical equipment, and I just use a piece copper pipe and I put the wire inside it and then I crimp it. Just hit it with the hammer a couple of times. Or in this case, I just clamp it down with the bolt itself, and it's a very solid connection, as you can see. Hopefully this thing zooms in. So, hope this helps. If anybody wants a few of these for sale, let me know.